Kidz.
Hello, Scoopy Kidz. Today we are going to learn how to count money and then save it. Count the money. Let's start with our coins. This is a penny. A penny is worth 1 cent. 1 cent. This is a nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents. That is the same as 5 pennies. 5 cents. This small coin is a dime. A dime is worth 10 cents. 10 cents. This is a quarter. A quarter is worth 25 cents. 25. Now let's make $1. 4 quarters make $1. 100 cents make $1. $1. Before we save money, we must count the money. Count the money. Let's count together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 coins.
Today, we will save 5 coins. Coins go in the piggy bank. When we count the money first, we save smarter.
Count the money, count with me. Clap, clap, step, step, 1, 2, 3. Coins go down, bills stay flat. Counting money, move like that. Count the money, count the money, count the money, nice and slow. Count the money, now we know how much we know. A penny is 1 cent, small and round. Oh, oh, oh. A nickel is 5 cents, silver sound. Oh, oh, oh. A dime is 10 cents, little and thin. A quarter is 25 cents, drop it in. Line them up and count them all. Big coin, small coin, short and tall. Count the money, count the money, count the money, nice and slow. Count the money, now we know how much we know. A quarter is worth 25 cents. When you have 1 quarter, that's 25 cents. When you add another quarter, now it's 50 cents. Add 1 more quarter, you have 75 cents. Add the 4th quarter, now we see you have $1. Count with me. Count the money, count the money, count the money, nice and slow. Count the money, tell me now, what do we know? Count the money, now we choose where it should go.
Count the money, then save it.
Scoopy Kidz. Scoopy Kidz.
Hello, Scoopy Kidz. Today, we are going to learn something very important. It is called a money plan. A money plan helps us decide what to do with our money. We do not use all our money in one place. We split it. This is our money plan. Save, spend, share.
Save, spend, share.
This jar is for saving. Saving means keeping money for later. We save for things that take time, like a toy, a book, or something special. We do not rush saving. We add a little at a time.
Save a little!
This jar is for spending. Spending means using money now. We spend money on things we need or things we choose, but we do not spend everything. We plan our spending.
Spend a little!
This jar is for sharing. Sharing means helping others with our money. We can share with family, friends, or people who need help. Sharing teaches kindness. Sharing makes our money do good.
Share a little!
When we use a money plan, we save some, we spend some, and we share some. This helps us now and helps us later. This is how smart money habits begin.
Save, spend, share.
I've got my money, yes I do. Now I can what it will do. Not all here, not all there. I skip it up, that's fair. Save a little, spend a little, share a little too. That's my money plan, that's what I do. Save, spend, share, save again. Save, spend, share, money plan. Saving means I wait my turn. Little by little, money learns. Chuck it in and let it stay. Saving helps me plan my way. I don't rush, I don't say oh. Saving helps me reach my goal. Save a little, spend a little, share a little too. That's my money plan, that's what I do. Spending means I choose with care. I don't spend more than what is there. Some for now, some I keep. That's how spending stays neat. I don't need to spend it all. Smart choices help me stand tall. Save a little, spend a little, spend a little, share a little, that's my money plan. Sharing means I help someone. Sharing makes my money kind. Even small can make a change. Sharing grows my heart and mind. Money's not just what I keep. It's what I give that makes it deep. Save a little, spend a little, share a little too. That's my money plan, that's what I do. Save, spend, share every day. Save, spend, that's my way.
Save, spend, share.
Scoopy Kidz.
Hello, Scoopy Kids! Welcome to today's episode. Today, we're learning how to start a business. A business is when you make something or help someone and earn money for it. It all begins with an idea.
I have an idea.
Let's sing about it.
I have an idea. something new. Work a little, try my best. That's how business starts, no stress. I make it, you like it, you buy it. That's business. A business starts with just one thought. What can I make is what I've got. Draw a picture, bake a treat, sell some lemonade on the street. Make a bracelet, paint a rub, offer help around the block. When I solve a need or make a smile, that's a business kid style. I have an idea, yes I do. I can make something new. Work a little, try my best. That's how business starts, no stress. I make it, you like it, you buy it. That's business. I have an idea, yes I do. I can make something new. Work a little, try my best. That's how business starts, no stress. I make it, you like it, you buy it. That's business. First I think, then I plan. Make and eat the best I can. Show the people what I made. If they like it, I get paid. Money doesn't just appear. It comes from effort, loud and clear. When I work and do my part, money follows what I start. I have an idea, I can make it real, make it, sell it, do it well. That's how young bosses build. Connect to money plan. When I earn, I split it smart. Save some first, that's the start. Spend a little, share it too. That's what smart business kids do. Coins go in the piggy bank. Bills stay flat and safe and blank. Working hard and thinking big. That's my business, small but big. I have an idea, yes I do. I can build something new. Think it, make it, sell it smart. Business starts inside my heart. I make it, you like it, you buy it. That's business. What do we need to start? Money to start! What's it called? Capital! 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 Start money, profit. Money growing, loss. Money shrinking, capital, profit, loss. That's how business goes. I have 5 coins in my hand. 5 coins. That's my capital to start my stand. Start the stand. I use my coins to buy some juice. Buy the juice. Capital is what we use. Capital, start money. Profit, money growing, loss. Money shrinking, capital, profit, loss. That's how business goes. Capital, start money. Profit, money growing, loss. Money shrinking, capital, profit, loss. That's how business goes. Capital. Capital. I sell juice for 10 coins today. 10 coins. I only spend 5 on the way. 5 coins. More came in than what I paid. Money grew. That's a profit that I made. Capital, start money. Profit, money growing, loss. Money shrinking, capital, profit, loss. That's how business goes. Capital, start money. Profit, money growing, loss. Money shrinking, capital, profit, loss. That's how business grows. Capital. Capital. If I spend 10 coins to start, 10 coins, but only earn 2 from my cart, 2 coins, less came back than what I spent. Uh-oh, that's a loss, we learn again. Loss, money shrinking, capital. Capital, start money. Profit, money growing, loss. Money shrinking, capital, profit, loss. We can try again. Capital, start money. Profit, money growing, loss. Money shrinking, capital, profit, loss. We can try again. Capital. Capital, profit, loss. That's how business grows.
Alright, Scoopy Kids, we just sang about capital, profit, and loss. But what does that look like? Let us put it to practice. Today, Maya and Lulu are starting a slime shop. Maya, how many coins did you have to begin?
I had 10 coins same.
Those 10 coins are called capital. Capital is the money you start with. Say capital.
Capital!
Maya, after selling slime, how many coins did you earn?
We earned 15 coins.
You started with 10 coins. You earned 15 coins. That means you made 5 extra coins. That is called profit. Profit means your money grew.
Profit means we earned more than we spent.
Exactly.
Profit!
Now let's imagine something different. If you spent 10 coins, but only earned 5 coins back, that means you lost 5 coins. That is called loss.
Loss means we earn less than we spent.
Yes, loss helps us learn and try again. Capital is what you start with. Profit is when money grows. Loss is when money shrinks. Smart Scoopy Kids understand all three.
Capital! Profit! Loss!